No.
Bite it.
I don't know, I didn't hear it. Here's the top. I got the top open. Try that.
Oh.
It's really cute. It says
It's got a face on both
character
sides.
mini feeling keychain comic book.
Yeah, it's like smile on one side. Look, if you look at the face too, look at the monkey's face. On one side, he's a little bit sad, and on the other side, he's happy and smiling.
Why is he sad?
I don't know. Why would you feel sad?
Because he's sad.